Hey everybody, John here. Just going to go through how to use the calculator to calculate inverse trig values. So we're going to start with, um, on the PowerPoint, we have the inverse sine of 0.75. So quite simply, just on your home page here, you're going to hit second sine, because you can see here in blue is written sine inverse. So I'm going to hit second sine, and then I just type in my value, 0.75. I need to make sure that I am in radian mode, which I am. I'm in radian mode, so second quit. Now I'm ready to hit enter, and my calculator spits out 0.848, which is what I would write down as my answer. Okay. The next one is inverse cosine of 0.75. So same idea, second cosine. Type in 0.75, hit enter, we get 0.723. I would round to 3 decimal places. So 0.723 would be my answer for this one. And then the last one here, it says arctan of 3. Now don't be scared about the 3. The 3 is fine for tangent. Okay, I can get 3 out as a value from tangent. So I can plug 3 into arctangent. So I'm going to hit second inverse tan. So second tan, I'm going to put in 3, and it's going to spit out a value, 1.249. And you'll see that if you try to find like inverse sine of -2, you're going to get an error. Okay? So these types of values are not allowed. Okay? And if I go to, it says here, no good. Now if I change this to a -1/2, then we get -0.524. Now what angle do I plug into sine to get -1/2 out? Well, that's -pi/6. And so this is a good way to check your answers. So I'm getting -0.524. Now if I plug in -pi/6, I get -0.524. And so I can see that if while I'm doing these problems, if I forget my unit circle or something like that, and I'm unsure about my answer, I can always reference the calculator there. But I do want the exact answer. I want the -pi/6. I don't want the decimal, because the decimal needs to be rounded, whereas the -pi/6 is accurate to infinitely many decimal places. All right, so that is the calculator portion of this lecture. I'll see you in the next video for the last two slides of our presentation for tonight. Thank you.